you guys would have heard me talk about these, rave about these previously. They're the SABRINA sandals. I wore them every single day for 12 days and they were phenomenal. My feet didn't hurt. My legs were tired, so tired from walking all day long, but my feet didn't hurt a bit. They are featured in our article that has the best travel sandals, but one of the reasons why I like these because they're neutral, they're comfortable, they have the rubber grip on the soles, but they also have cute metal hardware, so just giving them a little bit of style, a little bit of edge versus a regular comfort sandal. The other shoes I forgot to show you that were with my flight outfit were these SKECHERS memory foam shoes. They're so lightweight and they are comfy, but I couldn't wear them for daily sightseeing because I don't like wearing closed-toe shoes when it's hot. My feet swell. So I only wore them in the evenings if it was cooler, when I knew I was going to be wearing them for shorter periods of time, or when I was traveling on the plane, for example, from England where it was cooler that day down to Rome. I recently added them to an article that we published on the best slip-on sneakers for travel. I like them because I've been trying on SKECHERS for a long time, trying to find the right style for me. I know they're a really popular shoe with the Travel Fashion Girl readers, but I couldn't find the right style for me. And this one I liked because it had more of a V cut here in the front, which I felt had a more modern appearance. And I also liked the neutral taupe, a little bit of metallic sheen to it, and the knit. We were planning to go to the Moulin Rouge in Paris and I wanted to dress up, and it was my birthday, my mom's birthday, we were going to visit my cousin. I didn't know if we were going to go to nicer restaurants, so I brought a pair of heels. I know, but I brought a pair of comfortable heels from Naturalizer, and to be honest with you, I did end up wearing heels for the Moulin Rouge, but some heels that I bought while I was in Paris. I will see you soon, and thank you again for tuning in.